Rear Cross-Traffic Collision-Avoidance Assist, or RCCA, helps detect vehicles approaching from the left or right when moving in reverse. Rear corner radar sensors monitor approaching vehicles from the left or right side of the vehicle. When a vehicle is detected, RCCA sounds a warning, and a message will appear on the instrument cluster and the infotainment system. If RCCA detects that the collision risk has increased, RCCA may automatically apply the brakes to reduce your speed, potentially helping to minimize the effects of a possible collision. RCCA is designed to operate when the gear shift is in reverse and vehicle speed is below 6 miles per hour. To enable RCCA, go to the Vehicle settings on the Infotainment System. Press Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and Parking Safety. Scroll through the selection and press Rear Cross Traffic Safety to toggle the feature on or off. To adjust the warning method settings for driver assistance systems, under Driver Assistance, select the speaker icon or warning method. Here you can change the warning volume, which may change the volume for other driver assistance systems as well. Selecting Haptic Warning activates the steering wheel vibration warning on certain driver assistance systems. Lane Safety Audible Warning Off turns off the audible warning for lane safety features. Driving Safety Priority lowers all other audio volume when the system sounds a warning. And Parking Safety Priority also lowers all other audio volume when the Parking Assist view is active. For additional information, refer to your owner's manual. You can also go to the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel or the Kia Features and Functions Quick Reference Guide. Thanks for watching.